Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document using Adobe Reader. First, open your desired PDF file with an Adobe Acrobat Reader. Look for the Fill and Sign tool, typically located on the right-hand side of your screen. Once you find it, simply click on the Sign icon. This action will initiate the signing process, allowing you to add your personal touch to the document with just a few clicks. Next, you'll need to create your digital signature. Adobe Reader offers a few convenient options. You can choose to add signature or add initials. Then, decide if you want to type your name, draw it using your mouse or trackpad, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. After creating it, you'll have the option to save this signature for quick access on future documents, saving you valuable time. Once your signature is created, placing it on the document is straightforward. Simply click on the exact spot within the PDF where you wish your signature to appear. A box containing your signature will then pop up. You can easily resize it by dragging the corners to achieve the perfect fit. Furthermore, you can drag and move the signature to precisely position it before finalizing its placement on the page. Finally, after successfully placing your signature, it's crucial to save your work. Navigate to File and then select Save As. It's a good practice to save the document with a new name, perhaps adding Signed to the original title to differentiate it from the unsigned version. Choose a secure location on your computer for storage. Now, your digitally signed PDF is ready to be shared or submitted as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.